Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to remove ads in Temple Run 2. If you're tired of ads interrupting your Temple Run 2 adventure, then you can easily remove ads from the game. First of all, open up the Temple Run 2 application on your device, and once you're in this page, go to the left inside menu and look for the ads option. Simply tap on the ads option and then follow through the prompts. If you'd like to remove ads for free, you may also have the free button in the pop-up. Simply tap on it and you will then need to complete any of the following offers provided in the browser. If there's no offers whatsoever in this page, then you might want to come back in times when they launch any offers. Another way to turn off ads is to simply go ahead and purchase the ad-free version. Once you tap on the ads option, then simply go ahead and tap on the yellow button and follow through the prompts to purchase the ad-free version, complete the payment, and the ads will be removed permanently. And that is how you will successfully remove ads from Temple Run 2 so that you can enjoy an uninterrupted gaming experience. If this tutorial helped you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.